Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you the most common problem with iPhone, which all the iPhone users basically face. As you can see, this is iPhone 7 in my hand, and problem is that whenever I try to turn on this phone, it is stuck on the Apple logo screen. And basically this type of problem appears after the formatting the phone or sometime due to the failure of software update of the phone. To fix this problem, we require iPhone data cable. If it is original, then the process will be fast. iTunes required, download and install it. Now switch off your phone and connect to the PC through data cable. There is two ways to go in iTunes mode. The first one is that pressing the power button while holding the home button for some seconds. And the second one is that if your home button or the finger scanner button is not working, then you can press the power button while pressing the volume up or down button for 10 seconds. So let it be go. So here iPhone is connected to the PC and iTunes got a notification. Update and restore. Click on restore. Now click on restore and update. Read it or leave it, no issue. Click on next. Again read it or leave it, then you can click on agree and your downloading will be started. You can see the downloading progress in the right upside corner. There is downloading icon. After this process, your phone will be working.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.